From the Philippines, I flew to Korea, and my goal is to cycle from Seoul to Busan with no particular days in mind. No target distance per day and no plans at all. Today is my last day of cycling in Korea after spending few days on the road. After breaking my tent, I spent few nights at the motel and decided to cycle 130 kilometers all the way to Busan to reach my next host there. As I always say, I don't know if I can make it to Busan, but one thing is for sure, it's gonna be another day of adventure. And this is what happened. This is my day 9 and my last day of cycling across South Korea, and now I'm heading to Busan. I'm here in Namji. I spent the night here, and yeah, hopefully I can make it because I started at 10 a.m. Yeah, I will miss this. I will miss cycling here. Like, you're the only one on the road. It's all made for you as cyclists. Yeah. Oh my gosh, these leaves, these trees in front of you, like there's nothing aside from you and your bicycle. This nature, this mountain, everything is just amazing. It's all God's creations. Yeah, it's been so real. Like, ayoko pa matapos to. I don't want this to end, but still I have so much things to see and I don't have money anymore. I spent a lot here because I was not supposed to stay in motel, and I spent all my money in there. So I need to finish this ass up, yeah. And see you, Busan! Woo! Oh. I mean, these are their typical weekdays here in Korea. Oh my gosh. We have so much time, freedom, and public spaces because the government made this for them. Hopefully. Sana all. I'm still 55 kilometers away to the last station. Hopefully I can make it there. Yeah. Found this restaurant just along the street, so I ordered fried rice with dumplings. Yeah, so local service. Oh my gosh, look at this view. I think this is one of the scenic part among all the path here. With a view of big mountains going to Busan. It means we're almost there.
We don't need a destination, let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow. If we
Yangsan Water Culture Center. Last two stops. So yeah, I'm finally here at Yangsan Culture's pass certification. I'm on the way to Lost passport stamp in Busan. Yeah, there's still cyclists in there. So I think it's okay to spend the night, like cycling at night. Yeah, it's already 5 p.m. I think I'm still 50 kilometers away. So I hope I can make it. Let's see. Bye! So I'm still 50 kilometers away and I saw a park here with campers. So even though it's weekdays, sobrang dami nagka-camp dito. Yan. So ito yung typical park nila along the river path. 7 o'clock. I'm so hungry. 30 kilometers pa yung papansyakin natin. Touchdown Busan. Still alive at night. It's traffic over there. Thankfully, we are separated. 633 kilometers, although I skip Andong, so I only have 583 kilometers full of adventure, nature, experience, and away from so it's a really must-try experience, especially for people who loves nature. It's a must-try experience to all the people out there, to all cyclists, even for beginners. I would highly recommend this route, and it's a memorable experience. Oh, this ends my bike touring journey here in South Korea. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye! Tayo na layo pa ng bike ko. Made it! Can't believe. I finally made it to Busan. So I'm just 1 kilometer away to my accommodation. I'm just having a hard time to ride here at the city. Compared to the bike path, it's really hard. And yung mga daan din nila is medyo mahirap talaga. I was supposed to just go to the bicycle shop and then I saw this beach. I'm just nearby, like 1 kilometer away, and look at this. I think it's like our version. Hopefully the signs are really from here and they didn't put it just for just to make it beautiful, but they're cleaning it there. It's very clean compared to Manila Bay, diba?
Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far.
Still recovering from last night, but this maybe in summer you can swim here, but right now it's really cold. Like no one's swimming. So they have big buildings. The bridge is over there, and buildings over there. It's at the end of the map, and I saw that there are some rock formations. There are some stones in here, so it's really good to check this out. Yeah, let's see. Look at this. Yeah, hello from the Philippines. Yeah, where from?
Malaysia. Malaysia, truly Asia.
Cebu.
Yes. Grand City of the
So Anna just had a host today from the Philippines. Yeah. Kabayan.
Kabayan.
And so ngayon, we didn't do anything. We just chill out and ate dinner. It's my first time here near Guangli by walking. Lamig ba? Malamig?
Hindi naman masyado.
They have
Medyo lang.
3 flags. You brought it? Yeah. I know some, like, I met some Indonesian before. They all have
the equipment or like the stocks
yeah.
for food, because it's really hard for us looking
like
for the
you crave for your spices.
yeah.
I also brought my soy sauce, but I throw it because it's like 200 grams. It's very heavy. This seems like a good chef, but we're not.
we are mess the kitchen.
We just miss our home. It's a single journey and you have to find where you're going. So first you have to track which is the station Yangsan. Yeah, I'm going to Yangsan side. Oh no, Jangsan. And I'm gonna go to Guangan. Where is Guangan? This one, Guangan. 1750. And click confirm. Yeah.
Insert cash.
Insert cash.
It has been processed. Please wait.
So I finally got my ticket. This is what it looks like if you're gonna ride the train with your bicycle here in Busan. I'm just looking for a ticket, but I cannot find it. I don't know where to buy. Ah, 감사합니다. Galing naman mag-Korean. Hamyongdong National Park, just chilling around. And it turns out, late yung autumn dito sa fall sa Busan. So, ngayon it's very clear na orange yung mga dahon. Compared sa mga nadaanan ko na naglagas na. Yung? I'm currently here at the birthday party. You're from where? Nepal. Namaste. So how long have you been here? Why are you here?
생일이 두 번 있는 사람.
First study.
First study, wow.
한 번 있는 사람.
So right now we're full of different nationalities. Like they can speak Korean. They're from Nepal, India.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What's that?
It's a drink.
For what?
Sometimes I don't like the people because there are so many people, so I can't walk in. So when it's annoying, I just drink it, and then people try to, you know.
Is it common in Japan?
No.
Today we're gonna do jujimbang. What's your name?
Yuichiro from
Yuichiro
Japan.
from Japan. I met him through couch surfing with my host. Can you? Hello, Anna. Hello. Yeah. So is it your first time to do jujimbang?
It's my first time to come here.
Ah, come here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna get naked. So I think it's just near here, inside the mall.
Bye bye.
Okay. Come on.
Come back
Yeah.
next time, okay?
Yeah, next time. See you in other world.
Kiss, kiss,
Kiss.
kiss, kiss, kiss.
See you when you grow up, huh?
Yeah.
See you. I think I spent around 29 days here. It seems so fast. I didn't film much, but this is Busan. Yeah, there are so many cars in here, but yeah, some doesn't have a bike lane, but some have a bike lane. So it's really a struggle, but yeah, we're almost there 5:30, because at 6:30 there's an immigration check, so I have to be there earlier. Actually, I've been cycling for 2 hours now. It's really hard to cycle here in the city. So yeah, there are some bike lanes like this. So yeah, I think natatanaw ko na yung port, almost there. But it says here that I'm still 900 meters away. Yeah, hopefully I can make it to Japan. Yeah. I don't know if bicycles are allowed here. So I left my bicycle downstairs, I don't know.
Falls off the mountainside, and in